Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start managing events with Eventbrite detailed guide step by step clearly. To start managing events with Eventbrite, first, visit the Eventbrite website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Use your email address, or you can sign up through social media accounts like Facebook or Google. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create Event button to begin setting up your event. Fill in the event details, including the event name, date, and location. Choose the event type, such as in-person, virtual, or hybrid. Next, add a compelling event description to attract attendees. Upload an eye-catching event cover image that represents the theme. Set the ticket types you'll offer, such as free or paid tickets. If applicable, configure any promotional codes for your attendees. Adjust the event settings to manage privacy and visibility options for the event. Once all details are filled, preview the event page to ensure everything looks correct. After confirming the information, click on the Publish button to make your event live. To promote your event, share the link through social media and other platforms. Consider using Eventbrite's built-in features for email marketing to reach potential attendees. Monitor your event's performance from the dashboard to track ticket sales and registrations. Make updates as needed to keep your attendees informed about any changes. Remember to engage with your attendees leading up to the event for maximum attendance. Finally, follow up with your attendees after the event to gather feedback and build relationships for future events. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.